Don't be discouraged, though I realize it's hard to take courage in a world full of people. You can lose sight of it all when the darkness there inside you makes you feel so small. But I see your true colors shining through. See your true colors. That's why I love you. So don't be afraid to let them show. Your true colors, true colors are beautiful, like a rainbow.